How to transfer your photos to Dropbox on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos to Dropbox on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down here until you find transfer a copy of your information, and then click next and click Dropbox, and here just click none, this one if you want to transfer only your photos, and then click next and then just connect your Facebook with Dropbox. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.